Hello, for today's video is how to use Instagram TV, IGTV, to share longer form content. IGTV lets brands create their own long form video series on Instagram. It's a great opportunity to build engagement, collaborate with influencers, improve Instagram marketing strategy, among many other things. But how do you create an IGTV channel? And what are the best ways you can use it for your business? Just dive into the answers and find out how you can make IGTV work for your brand. IGTV is a long-form video channel accessible from Instagram and as a standalone app. In fact, verified users can post IGTV videos up to an hour long. Regular users can upload 10 minutes long videos, still much longer than normal videos. So how to create an IGTV channel? It used to be that if you wanted to upload video on IGTV, you need to create an IGTV channel. However, Instagram has since done away with that feature. All you need to create an IGTV account now is an Instagram account. Your account allows to upload videos on IGTV via the Instagram app or IGTV app. Here are some of ideas for IGTV videos or even series you can create for your brand. So, first is create tutorial videos. One great way to build engagement is through handy tutorial videos. These how-to videos can cover a variety of different topics in your industry. For example, say you had a fitness brand. You could create a series focused on workout tutorials or maybe one about healthy recipes. You can also host a Q&A session. A question and answer sessions with your audience is a great way to answer by any pressing questions for your followers might have. Next is go behind the scenes. You can also stream an event, and that's it. I hope that you have learned something. If you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.